Is Misha Ian Mach Gillies. I'm John Gillies. Am I fúrich cwtcher I moven awn yn Selkirk ams na criocha. Fam in am gochter chowlich. I was a GP for 30 years and I also spent time practicing medicine in Malawi in the 80s. Now I'm a professor at the medical school at Edinburgh University. I'm involved in a lot of academic research and I also advise on health policy. Saun a Lochmaddy awn the Uist hame fuhus. I remember speaking Gaelic as a child, but it was discouraged in schools back then. We left Uist when I was 7 years old and moved to the borders. We didn't speak much Gaelic as a family after that. In 2017, I decided to try to rekindle my Gaelic and took a course. My learning is going well so far, but it's hard to find the time. I still have a lot of friends and family in Uist, and it's nice to get back when I can. I love the language, the music, and the culture. I'm in the Vaul gen Chomonechri Uist. I have 3 grandchildren, be it gan Pumel Trang. Aku shachadan kuliorakam. I enjoy reading and listening to classical music, and I like to get out on the bike. Arorach ma gan voik agus gan inchin.